welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a fantastic evening. I am super excited because I got a new subscription in the mail today, and I've actually already posted a few videos, but I wanted to go ahead and film this and post this evening. Because I actually have some time at home alone in the evening, which is unusual. Christopher has gone to see the new Avengers Endgame movie, so he is super excited for that. And I am super excited because, as you can see from the description, we have a brand new subscription to unbox, and that is the GlobeIn subscription box. I think this subscription looks amazing, and a little bit about it. It does cost about, I think it's $50 a month, and it's a mixture of artisan products, like 4 to 7 products. One thing that I think is really neat is they do have every month when, they have their like actual, say their April box. But then they do have a total of 4 to 5 different themed boxes. So if you don't like the official box for that month, you can choose a different box. I did that. I didn't go with the actual April box. I chose a different one for the month of April. And I believe it was Unwind. And it's been a few weeks. So I remember definitely one item that was in here as part of the reason I chose it. But the awesome thing is, like I said, this is a $50 a month subscription. But I have a link that I will put down below if you would like to sign up and give them a try, and you can get your first box for only $10. That is amazing. So let's get our box cutter and get in here. I cannot wait to see. As soon as I saw this today, I had not planned on filming, and I'm like, oh, I want to open it so bad. So I was like, you know what? I am. All right. So, the inside of this box is so pretty. Okay. Yes, it was Unwind was the theme that I went with. So this is what we see when we open it. This is like so pretty on the inside. And then we have our little, it's like I guess like a booklet here. So that's awesome. That will tell us about the items. And like I said, the theme I went with is Unwind. And let's see what it says here. It says, "Dear friends, the day is done and you're finally home. You're eager to relax and restore. But relaxation is not always available at the drop of a hat, especially when your mind is still racing from all the day's demands. This box is dedicated to the process of unwinding, and indeed, it is a process, maybe even an art. The items in this box are geared toward leading you along the path to ease. Glasses holder, colored pencils, journal, and a beautiful wine glass. Can you see the sense? Can you sense the order of operations here? Step 1, drop everything. Step 2, kick off your shoes and slip into some comfy clothes. Step 3, couch, porch, patio. Choose your place for some personal time. And step 4, pour yourself a glass of something nice and color a mandala or take diary notes from your day. Unwinding is a journey. Consider this box the map. Cheers, Angela, Artisan Box, Curator." So we have a little sneak peek here of some of the items in the box. And that kind of told you some of them as well. And let's see what else. Oh, okay, so this is neat. So it kind of tells you about where all the products come from. This is awesome. Okay, so let's just get in here. It is very, very well packaged. All right, so the first thing I am pulling out is the journal. And this is so cute. This is like so fun and colorful, and I can tell it feels like it's made like on recycled paper. And it is just blank inside. I love this. This is so pretty. I will reach for this a lot just because it's like, hey. So let's find this in here and see what it says. Handmade Journal. The paper used in your journal is handmade by women co-ops in Kathmandu, Nepal. The bark of the Daphne plant, or Locta in Nepalese, only grows in the foothills of the Himalayas and has naturally very strong and sticky fibers, which are perfect for paper making. To make the paper, the Daphne plant is first beaten down into a pulp and then spread into a thin layer. This thin layer then dries and becomes paper ready. Awesome. I like how they're giving us the information here. So let's see. Then we have our colored pencils, and these are so cute. Is there... Oh, I open them. Oh, I almost dropped them. All right. So we are just going to... There we go. These are so cute. So eco-friendly. It's a set of 12, handmade in Nepal. Aren't they cute? And they're fun looking with the little ribbons. So the journal was also made in Nepal. So handmade colored pencils. These bright colored pencils are handmade in Nepal. The pack of 12 colors are perfect for your personal coloring book or back to school shopping. Thanks to your order, the income these families receive by working with Gifts Land and the Artisan Box to produce your new pencil set is considerably more than the wages they earn during the day. The extra work allows them to improve their economic standing, keep children in school, and ensure everyone is healthy and provided for. That is awesome. And this box gives back, which I think is amazing. So that's another reason that I just find it really, really awesome. But these are so cute, and I can't wait to like doodle and just draw to unwind with my new journal. And then we have an item here in a box. And I couldn't tell if it was like a turkey or what exactly it was. Y'all, oh my gosh. Okay, so this must be different for every person. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, because see, it shows like what I thought was like a turkey or a peacock or something. You guys, I love owls. And I got an owl. Oh my gosh. And this is from India. This is a rosewood glasses holder. This is fantastic. Oh my gosh. I am like so excited right now. Nothing punctuates. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Nothing punctuates the day like the sound of keys clattering into their home for the night or the relief of removing your glasses before bed. Your new glasses holder allows you to breezily organize your essentials with the assurance of remaining in one reliable place. Since when was staying organized so effortless? And your new goods were crafted in North Central India, where wood carving is a way of life with deep roots. Nevertheless, many artisans wish for their children to abandon the tradition for something more profitable. Organizations like Matter Bhumi that invest in artisans with fair trade make it more likely they will consider the work beneficial enough to pass on. You guys, that is so cute, and it's an owl. I am so tickled about this. This is so precious. Okay. And it looks like, so there was the owl and peacock, turkey, something going on here, a cat, and then a bird another bird of some sort. So, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'm so excited I got an owl, you guys. All right, and we have one more item. This is the item I remembered. Everything is so well packaged. Now, if I could figure out how to open it. It's bubble wrap. Can you hear that? Sometimes that's kind of relaxing. It's a good way to unwind. Y'all like that? It is so satisfying, isn't it? And these are like the bigger bubbles too. So they're like, oh, that shot air in my face. Oh yeah. All right. Sorry for the noise. All right, so. Oh my gosh, this is even more gorgeous in, oh my gosh, okay. It is this gorgeous wine glass, and it is like a thick, sturdy wine glass. This is so gorgeous. Colorful wine glass, handmade in Mexico. When it comes to drinking vessels, a festive color makes for a whole different vibe. Your colorful glass, for example, is a world away from a normal wine glass, although filling it with wine is obviously a fine idea. Sturdier than the usual wine glass, it calls to mind the kingliness of a goblet. I can't read tonight. But with an informal air that says couch much more than throne. The innovative shape took its form in Tonala, Jalisco, a hub of glassware and pottery, and home to the Glass Blowing Workshop. Established in 2001, Crystalluc aims to bring the best of the city's tradition to the rest of the world while supporting its group of 40 local artisans with a steady income and an inspiring space to pursue their art. And then it says, used to taste different flavors or brands of beverages such as beer and wine. So yes, this is just like, I mean, the detail, it like goes down. It is just, oh, are you kidding me right now? This is so beautiful. I only paid $10 for this box, you guys. Like I said, we'll put a link down below. If you would like to sign up, you can get your first box for $10. And then, like I said, it would be the May box. So you could go in, and I think it's the 1st through the 10th of the month is when you get to select which of the 4 or 5 themes that they have that you would like to receive. Like I said, I went with this unwind, and I am so happy that I did because, again, the glass here is just beautiful, and it is very sturdy, much sturdier than any other wine glass that I have. And this is just so precious. And now I have somewhere to put my glasses at nighttime. So yay for the little owl. It's like they knew me. Oh, and these beautiful colored pencils to go here with our gorgeous fun journal. I can't wait. I think this was fantastic. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Don't forget to enter our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. That link is down below as well. Give the video a thumbs up and have a fantastic day.